61 degrees and fine day for a ride. I'm on a vacation day today, and I've got some work to do at home, but such a nice day for a ride that I said, let me go for a ride before I get started on my work. I've got some new Dunlop Roadsmart III's on right now, and they got maybe, I don't know, 35 miles on them. So they're still fairly fresh. This ride is partially to go and see how they behave on some twisty roads. I still got to take it fairly easy because the sides aren't scrubbed in yet. I only went to work once with them, so the middle part of the tire is scrubbed in a bit, but not the sides. So I got to be careful. Man, what a bike. 2017 Aprilia Tuono 1100 RR with 720 miles on it. Beautiful bike. It's essentially brand new. They were asking 13,000. I don't have any spare 13,000 right now, so. But anyway, I'm going to pass through one of the parks close by, one of the county parks. See what's going on there. It's spring break right now. See if there's anybody there. If there's nobody there, maybe I'll take my drone for a little spin. I need to practice flying this drone because I've got a ride coming up, and I wanna get some footage, drone footage of the ride. So I'll be doing that this morning. A.D.Dyess Park, County Park. This part is deserted. There's a radio control club at the back of the park, and they fly there. So I suspect they won't have any problems, people flying, and I've flown here a couple of times before. They shouldn't have any problems with people flying drones, especially when it's deserted. Just finished flying the drone, and now we're going to continue our ride. We're going to go up to some twisty roads now in up north. This is Houston. Houston is large and flat, and there's not a lot of room for, there's not a lot of twisties around here. You've got to go fairly far out to get to the twisties, which is a bummer. But anyway, I'll get there. This is the FM 1097, not exactly the twisties, but it's got some curves in it. I just got to get past this truck. Now there's a nice little recreation area that I'm going to stop at, maybe fly the drone again. We'll see. And then we cross over Lake Conroe. So far this has not been a really good test of this, the tires, because I've been stuck behind traffic and riding pretty much in a straight line all the time. The one thing I can say is that these tires do tip into the curves a bit better than I remember the PR4s tipping into the curves when newer. And of course, being a new tire, it rides so smooth now compared to my bumpy old PR4s. But other than that, I can't really tell if they're a better tire. Too early, and I haven't ridden it enough. but it does feel a little bit sportier. I think it does have a rounder cross section, so it might be a little bit of a sportier tire. It certainly has got more rubber on the road, so it should be better grip in the dry. I don't know about the grip in the wet, but that's Lake Conroe there. A little piece of Lake Conroe. This is the road into Scotts Ridge recreational area, and we'll see what's on the go here. Oh, that was a nice a nice stop at Scotts Ridge recreational area. Now we're about to cross Lake Conroe. This is still at 1097. We're going to be crossing Lake Conroe on the Rotary Freedom Bridge. And then after that, I need to, well, we'll go home. But there's not a lot of twisty roads here. So what I'll probably do is go back on the 149 and see if I can get some twisty roads. But right now, I mean, these tires, thank you. These tires have given me the confidence, even though they're still new. Oh man, I've been riding so long with those tires that were kind of worn out, and I was riding gingerly for a long time. No more. You know, it's good to have the confidence to ride the way I want to ride, whenever I want to ride, like that, you know, so really nice. Tires stick to the road pretty darn good. I haven't gone on the real twisties yet, like I said, but I'm sure they'll do just fine. At least for my level of skill. Fantastic day, hardly any clouds in the sky, my gosh. This is perfect. There's a nice campground over there. It's an RV park. It looks nice from the water. They've got some sites that are right on the water. They're probably fairly expensive, but like I said, this part of Lake Conroe can be quite touristy, so I don't really care for it. All of that, you know, that's nice and all, but a little too busy for my liking. There's a little bit of twisties here. Konya Egypt Road. Speed limit here is 35. I gotta watch for law enforcement, but and I also got to watch for deer. There's a sign there for deer. Finally get a chance to ride on the sides of my tires. This bend is a pretty rough one here. It's the worst one on the road. 90 degrees. Elevation changes, turns. It's a nice little road. We got some traffic now. Oh well. Well, this has been a beautiful day for a ride, and had a pretty darn good ride. Went all over the place. Did get some little twisty roads worked into the ride, and the tires performed flawlessly. Stuck like glue. No squirming, no funny business, even though they're new. And here we're going to test some braking now. Oh, goddamn construction all over the place. Anyway, I just went to the Walmart, picked up some eggs and tomatoes. I'm starving. I gotta go home and get some lunch. But what a brilliant day! My God, it's 69 degrees now. It's getting a little bit warmer, and really, really nice. So I'm gonna probably extract some different videos out of this ride, and put it together, upload it to the channel, see how it goes. So until next time, see you on the road. Keep the shiny side up. Talk to you later.